welcome to the 12th tutorial of the Visual Basic. Here in this tutorial we will talk about forms. Remember, in the first tutorial I have told you that we will discuss the form later on. This is the time when we will do that. So what is form actually is basically a window that loads automatically when you run the program, like this. The form 1 which you have given by default is the main form which a compiler searches for when you when you start the program. We can create number of forms like this, so we have 3 forms basically in this project. So but when you run this project, only form 1 will load and the form 2 and 3 will not. What actually happens is that you have to specify in form 1 that after which event you want a particular form to load. For example, if I have a button here and I change this caption to something like load form 1, and to load the form 1 to load form 2, I'm already in form 1. So now here we have to write form2 dot show. So when I click this, form 2 will display. Now if you're pretty sure about that, you're not wanna see form 1 dot hide. You can do that, so that when form 1 2 will load, form 1 will hide. That's it. But since the form 1 is hidden, you cannot see that, but it is actually inside the stack of windows. We'll discuss that about later on, but it is actually present. So if you are pretty sure that you're not going to use form 1 again, what you can do is unload form 1. So when you do this, the program will automatically stop because you have just unloaded the form 1 and is no longer present in anywhere. Now when you went to form 2 after clicking that button, remember what you want is to have another button which says load form 3. So it should say form 3 dot show and form 1 dot form 2 dot hide, or you can simply load form 2, because I have no use of form 2 anymore. So load form 2, we are in form 2, load form 3, we are in form 3. That's it. Now in form 3 you just want another button. This button will say load form 1. So form 1 dot show and load form 3. So form 3, form 1, form 1, form 2, form 3, form 1, form 2, form 3. So in this way you can circulate between the forms, and for example, and you can write any program for that. We'll see how we can write programs using multiple forms. I'll make you know how to make a software with that, but that later on. But for now, this is Neelesh Vishwakarma, and goodbye.